AirPods. AirPods have kind of become a meme. They're out there, they're in the wild, but there are alternatives out there. Now I've tried a few. I've tried wireless earbuds all the way down to 18 bucks. Those ones have a wire between the two earbuds themselves. So what about an alternative that's sort of more like AirPods without the AirPods price tag? That's what I'm looking at today. These ones are almost half the price, or actually exactly half the price. 79 bucks, Anchor Soundcore, Liberty Air. Kind of reminiscent.
Forward natin, guys. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung earbuds na to. Kasi alam ko bestseller to. There we go.
Ooh, okay. Pretty comfy, to be honest. Not gonna fall out of my head. So when you buy them, they go straight into pairing mode. Pair it up. Okay, hang on. Let me just have a listen real quick. Please, allow me. I got no play pause there, Will. Hold on a second. It's a hold? Okay, Will's got a little update for us on the interface. You tap it twice for play pause. What else you got? Twice to answer and end phone calls. Of course, if a phone call was coming in. So it's a longer 2-tap to switch tracks. Oh, what does this one do? Ah, wow. Okay, so each touchpad is doing different things. The left one is the previous track, if you want to go back a song.
Oh.
The right one is to go forward a song. The right one is play, pause, answer phone.
Oh, ayos to. Maganda to, guys, kasi yung left niya at right earpiece ng wireless earphones ba. Ganda siya kasi nalilipat mo yung yung music through tapping lang. Left side to right side. So, tignan natin.
The left one can launch Google Assistant. Wow! As you can see here, I'll double tap and the song will begin playing. Okay, that's a little Pink Floyd. I'm gonna reserve my feedback here. I'm gonna pick something from a different genre right quick, if you don't mind. Give me a minute here. Beast Mode Hip Hop. There you go. I want to test the range. I'm gonna walk away from the phone a little bit.
Yan, guys, bali itetest nyo yung layo na nasa hagap ng wireless Bluetooth na yan. Tignan natin. Right, ayos. Ganda siya kasi yung range niya, kaya niya yung talagang malayo-layo.
Between different genres of music, I went from Pink Floyd to Future. Nonetheless, they both sound good.
Okay siya kapag kunwari naglilinis ka habang naka-charge yung phone mo. Malayo ka sa phone. Habang nakikinig ka ng music, naglilinis ka. Abot yung range sa ganong kalayong distansya. So, okay sa akin to.
Way more bass on the hip-hop side, as expected. AirPods don't actually really cut you off from the world. These ones are much deeper, so you're a bit more isolated and a bit more in the music. I wish there was a bit more volume here. I thought that these could maybe deliver a little bit more. Let me just try one more track here. Rough Riders Anthem. There you go. They do something that AirPods do not do. I think they sound better than it.
Hindi ko lang, idol ko mahilig pa sa mga ganang music. Bali nga pa na like and share. Subscribe dito sa Unbox Therapy. Yan. Maganda yung pinapakita nila lagi.
AirPods. You're getting punched harder with these than with the AirPods, in my opinion. How was the sound bleed? 0. You're hearing nothing.
Like and subscribe na rin sa akin, guys, for this reaction. Okay. Bali, ang pinaka-reaction natin dito kung magkano yung real price niya. Tapos, i-compare natin sa isang online shopping. Okay? Yan, bali, tuloy natin yung review.
Which is good. Alright, last thing I want to do, I should make a phone call real quick. You call me and I'll try to answer it right on the headset. Hello?
Hello, balutin.
Will he do? You sound good, man.
You sound a little static.
Do I?
Yeah.
So I say a sentence like this, and then
Mhm.
there's leftover garbage at the end. I mean, it's usable. You've heard better Bluetooth headsets on this show right here.
Yeah.
He has. Okay. Very well. Thank you very much for the phone call, Will. You've been a tremendous help, as usual. This is the Liberty Air. It's available in black and white right out the gate, which I think a lot of people are going to like as well. It's a nice little kit. It's a nice little package. These are half...
So, bali guys, itong hawak-hawak niya box na yan, nataguan ng earbuds na yan, yan yung parang charging port na. Ipe-place mo lang dun yung earbuds. Tapos, then, yan, charging na siya.
The price of Apple's product. I think Anchor has another hit, potentially another hit on hands. I think it's a decent...
Anchor yung, name ng brand. Anchor, yan. Ito, bali, tignan natin yung, Liberty Air. Tignan natin. So, yan. Amazon. Sa Amazon tayo. Bali sa Amazon, inisell niya $79. So, sadly, they're not shipping on the Philippines. Okay. Tignan natin ngayon kung magkano to in Philippine peso. Yan. So guys, bali 4,118 pesos. Hindi natin sama yung cents. Ito. So bali 4,118 pesos. So tignan natin siya sa Lazada. Anchor earbuds. Anchor earbuds. Okay. Bagalan na ito. Wow. Wow. Sa Shopee, 1,499. Yung weight yan kaso hindi siya gawa ng Anchor. Ito, tingnan natin yung sa Lazada. Okay. Ay, ito pala. Search ko na pala siya kanina. Yan siya, bali yan. Ito siya. Soundcore. Gawa ng Anchor. Yan siya. So, bali guys, ayan, tignan nyo. 9,299 kay Lazada. Ang sabi, 11,240 daw siya before. Na lesson ng 17%. So guys, tignan nyo. Ewan ko scam talaga to si Lazada Ito siya. Through Amazon. So, $79 from Amazon. Wow. $79, diba? Ang bali ang $79 is 4,118. Tapos dito sa Lazada, 9,299 na lesson na daw yun. 17%. Bali. Ewan ko ah. Why Lazada? Bakit ganyan? Why double the price? Ikaw ang dahilan. Bakit naghihirap ang mga Pinoy? Kaya natin. Yung totoo ba yung sa Shopee na 1,000 lang? Anchor. Sound. 4. AirPods. On Shopee. Oy, oh, happy. Yan, happy. Ibig sabihin nun, masaya ka. Happy. Joke lang. Okay, tingnan natin. Sabi. Ito ba yan? Parang, hindi ito yun. Tingnan natin yung mismong brand. Yung Anchor. Oops, ano ba to? Lag. Shit. Why lag? Biglang nagkaroon tayo ng konti problema. Isa pa to eh. Still dito eh. Nakabagal eh. Ay, wag na nga. So, yun na nga guys. Okay na siguro i-review natin siya from Lazada. Yun nga. Excuse me. Ito bali nga 9,299 lesson na daw siya ng 17% kasi dati daw 11,240. Ngayon, siya ay sa Amazon. Ito naman $79 which is 4,118 pesos. So, ganon siya pag kinonvert ng peso. Pero why? Why Lazada? Bakit? Bakit? Grabe. Sobrang magtubo si Lazada. Doble ng presyo. Baka walang ginastos ah. So, kakat na natin yung review natin dyan. Pare, ang nagwagi, si Lazada. Si Kamaharan. Sige. Maraming salamat guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong natin. Review natin, tsaka yung price comparison from Amazon to Philippine online shopping, Lazada. Okay. Sana please mag-like kayo and share. Subscribe na rin dito sa channel. And huwag niyo kalimutan i-hit yung notification bell icon. Salamat.